Welcome to the workshop. Thank you for being here. I'm going to talk for maybe 20-30 minutes, more or less, and then we'll go into our practices. This is one way we can approach this profound, simple, and yet endlessly interesting invitation of knowing the root of all things. Be grounded in and know this feeling of breath, this feeling of the legs and feet, the manifest world. Know your tendons, how they move. Know tension as it arises and how you can release this. And that is what allows us to know the source. Be anchored in what is arising moment to moment through this interest in and almost deepening respect for the fine, subtle moments of our experience, which Qigong opens the gateway to for us in some ways. To know movement, to know energy, be anchored in that present moment knowing, so as to anchor yourself in totality. I hope to gradually let this unfold in a way that is deeply experiential and letting the sacred arise in the moment-to-moment connecting to the roots of our breath, body, movement, energy, experience. We can know it immediately, the sacred.